Wouldn't it be amazing to have pizza while you're up camping? Well, stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and thank you for joining me again today. Today we are going to do another quick and easy Dutch oven recipe. You know, I love to show you recipes that you can make when you're up camping. So today we're going to make Dutch oven pizza. Now, pizza is not something you normally think about when you're up camping. It's not one of the go-to recipes, so that's why I thought it would be fun for us to make pizza today. So let me go ahead and I'll show you how we make our Dutch oven pizza. The one thing that's so wonderful about pizza is you can cater it exactly to what you like. Today we're just going to be making a simple pepperoni pizza with a few little extras. So you just need some pizza dough, some pizza sauce, Italian seasoning, we're going to put some mozzarella, of course the pepperoni, a little bit of olives, tomatoes, and onions. Okay, so take your Dutch oven. Now today we're going to be using a Dutch oven liner which I have made, and I will leave the link right there if you would like to see a quick tutorial on how you can make your own Dutch oven liner. It's real simple. So I've got a Dutch oven liner in there, and I'm going to go ahead and take my Pillsbury pizza crust. So let's get that open. Ooh, waiting for it to pop. There we go. Okay, now this pizza dough, it comes out in a rectangle, so we want to form it to make the circle. So this is a lot of dough, so I'm actually going to just slightly tear it, and we're going to be using half of the dough. Okay, that's going to be much more manageable. So I'm just kind of making it so it's into a circle, and we're going to pop it down into our Dutch oven. Got our liner in, and I'm just going to just mold this pizza dough to form around the liner. And you can tell that just half of that crust was more than enough. We'll kind of stretch it out there. This liner is also going to make it easy to lift it out when we're done. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our pizza sauce. Get that spread around. Okay, let's go ahead and add our mozzarella cheese. Oh, this is going to be delicious. I'm going to spread that around. Now let's get our pepperoni on there. And, you know, if your family doesn't like pepperoni, ham, hamburger, so many different things. Okay, now, I think we will add a few olives. I really love tomatoes, so let's put a few fresh tomatoes on there. And then, of course, a few onions. Okay, I think we are ready. Alrighty, so we're just going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. Now, John has gone ahead and has gotten the coals all ready. We're going to use 24 coals, which is going to make this pizza bake at 350 degrees. We're going to put 16 coals on top and have 8 coals on the bottom. Now, I can't tell you exactly how long it's going to take. Today, we are up at 10,000 feet. So with that high altitude, the time could be all wacky. So what you're going to have to do is just kind of do the peak test and kind of watch it as you go. So here we go. Let's get the lid on and get it cooking. Okay, and so there you had it. The overall cooking time was 1 hour. What was really nice is I was able to take the edges of the liner and lift it up out of the Dutch oven. So it made for easy lift out and it's super easy cleanup. So there you go. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, we'd love to have you subscribe to our channel where we give you tips and tricks of all things camping. And so from Let's Go Now Adventures, I'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching.